Hi everyone, this is Sid, Business Manager with iZooto. I welcome you all for this iZooto Masterclass 3, which is the last bit of the Masterclass thing that iZooto is offering. So what we'll do, we'll just wait for a couple of minutes for others to join in, just in case if they are facing any difficulties joining in. And once we have all of them, then we'll start. Okay, great. So I believe we have everyone here who have joined in, and we are good to start. So yeah, for the people who have joined in late, a quick introduction. I'm Sid, Business Manager with iZooto, and I welcome you all to this Masterclass 3 of iZooto of knowing your web visitors better with behavioral segmentation. So yeah, so if for this particular session you have any questions or doubts, you can drop me an email post this. Great. So the agenda for today's call would be to cover these topics, which is behavioral segmentation and why you should do that. Then how you can achieve behavioral segmentation with iZooto, and then integrating your CRM, your existing CRM with iZooto. So I understand that in the last class, we almost ended our discussion at user events, and so today what we will do is that we will focus one step ahead of those events on how effectively we can use that and how we can do behavioral segmentation with the events. So I'll just move ahead. But before moving ahead, would like to highlight that most of the marketeers think that they understand users, but it's not always the case because users are no different and they behave differently on different buying patterns. So I would say every marketer out there wants to create a personalized experience for its users, and for this they are reaching out to the new and sophisticated technology, and which mostly goes by the name of behavioral segmentation. So what exactly is behavioral segmentation? So behavioral segmentation is basically tracking your users and their activities and the pattern, and then just segmenting them to send out marketing campaigns, highly personalized and relevant marketing campaigns. So today pulling out insights on users' behavior is very easy than ever before. But more than that, the insights from that data are rarely utilized by marketers, and taking along with it an opportunity to create personalized experience. So the most common mistakes that marketers commit in today's world is the biased decisions making process. Admit it or not, you all are doing it, and this is affecting your marketing campaigns. And there's always a baggage of biases we carry, backed by the self-made assumptions that we think that this is what our buyers or visitors think, but that's not always the case. And in reality, it would be far from true what we are thinking. But but still marketers continue to practice it without realizing the inclination to a specific predefined concept that you have been believing in all this while. Second is this targeting broad behavioral segments. So again, what we do is that now we bucket all our users in one large segment, or no create very broad segments. Just missing out on the underlying fact that even we can further segment them and further drill it down to make it more relevant and now understand them better to increase conversions. Your segments, as I said, that now we think that okay, if we are doing a lot of a very a drill down segmentation, the segments will become too small and could be challenging in reaching out and seeing conversions, but that's not the fact. But we can always do a detailed segmentation and now make it more customized. And then relying on the static segments. So again, everyone has their own sets of likes and dislikes, and it tends to change over a period of time. So we need to keep that thing in mind, that the priorities and the interest of our subscribers or visitors change. So we need to keep changing our campaigns accordingly. Great. So before moving ahead into the behavioral segmentation, let's understand what is our user journey. So in a typical e-commerce e-commerce portal, the user journey is like visitors coming onto the home page. Then they either click on the category and visit that page, or click on the products and directly reach to the product page. And then if they like the product, they add to that cart and then finally do the payment. But again, that's the the ideal scenario where we want all our visitors to do the same, but then that doesn't happen the same way. So what we see is that the drop off happening at the different levels of the funnel. So on the top of the funnel would be you spend some dollars, get the visitors onto the website, but they just spend hardly few seconds and then bounce off. Or another thing could be in the middle of the funnel, they come onto the website, they identify a particular product that they're interested in, they add that product into the they go into the detail page. I mean, like, they see the product details, but then they do not add to the cart. And then last and not the least, which is the most important one, the reducing the cart abandonment, wherein your visitors add the product to the cart, but then they do not do a checkout. So these are the different three different steps in the conversion funnel, which I'll touch base in detail. So top of the funnel. So again, this is very, very interesting, and that's where it makes web push notification quite unique in terms of other retargeting channels, because in the case with the help of web push notification, with just one click and without taking any personal information, you are converting your visitors to subscribers, and then you are capturing their behavior on the website to just to engage and retarget them. So what is top of the funnel? The top of the funnel is where your subscribers have come onto the home page, but then have not visited the product page. So normally what happens is, like, when they go off, you spend some dollars to bring them back again. But with web push notification, what you can do, you can actually take their consent to push notification and then engage with them with some very, very lucrative and incentivized notifications, which could be like say 10% off just for you. So now though they have come onto the website but bounced off, but then you can again send out these type of notifications which could interest them, can make them click on the notification and come back onto the website and move down the conversion funnel. Then comes the middle of the funnel. The challenge is where your visitors or subscribers are actually checking out the product, but they are not adding the product into the cart. So that's again one of the pain points which you can reach out to them, understand what type of product that they have added. I mean, so with iZooto, we provide functionalities of event, and within those events, we have user properties, where by properties, now you can actually understand that what type of product a particular subscriber has added into the cart. You can bucket them into a segment, and then you can push them notification, like probably something like if they have checked out a particular brand, then know some of the new collections that have come from that particular brand, or know any offer for that particular product that your subscribers have looked out for. So you can now retarget them and engage with them to bring them back onto the website and move down the conversion funnel. Then comes the last bit of the conversion, which is engaging and retargeting with the bottom of the funnel subscribers, where you understand that your subscribers have added any item into the cart or a particular product into their cart but have not done the checkout. So you can filter that out, create that segment, and then now reach out to them with a very highly personalized notification that your favorites card is now on sale. So you imagine a scenario where there's a female visitor who has come onto the website. She has added a particular skirt onto the cart, but then for any XYZ reason did not purchase. So you can always send out a reminder notifications that there's a pending item into the cart, or that particular skirt is on sale, which can excite that female and bring her back onto the website and do the conversion. So that's how we cover the three steps of the conversion funnel in the user journey of any e-commerce website. Then I'll quickly touch base upon a case study, which is for one of the a pretty prominent e-commerce website, which is My Bagicha, which is an online store for all gardening needs. While they were building traffic, it was really difficult for them to engage with their users. So the typical challenge was that their traffic was good. I mean, they were spending some good efforts into getting the visitors onto the website, but then the challenge was that they were not able to engage with them effectively, or probably if they have made the purchase, then they were not able to retain them, or probably make them come back onto the website again and do a repeat purchase. So for them, the objective was to boost the user engagement and drive more sales. So how we did that? So the cart abandonment was one of the case where they, as I said, that they were getting a lot of traffic. There were a lot of visitors who were adding an item into their cart, but then they were not doing a checkout. So what they did is they pushed out some reminder notifications to make them do impulsive buying, wherein the notifications are sent when they were not onto the website. They see the notification that, okay, oops, did you forget something? So they clicked on it, they come back onto the website and made a purchase, and we really saw some encouraging numbers. So what was the impact of using web push notification was that they got some of the highest CTRs for some of the notifications there, which was as high as 33%. I mean, just imagine 33% is like a highly encouraging. I would say, I mean, we have not seen that coming very often with any of the retargeting tools. But yes, with web push notification, anyone can easily achieve probably a high CTR of as high as 33%. And it was like and then thereafter, this was one of a couple of notifications that worked out good for them, but they have consistently seen not less than 5% of the CTR coming on to all the notifications that they were sending out using behavioral segmentation. Also, the conversion rate shooted up by 10.59%. So that's what was the increase in conversions, and which was 3x of all the social campaigns that they were doing to engage with the visitors coming onto the website. Also, again, the pain point was to increase sales that went up by 56.48%. So those are the numbers for by how much any website can increase their sales and revenues. Then coming to the last part of our agenda of the session, which is integrating iZooto with CRM. So again, with iZooto, what we do, we capture the information and the behavior of the your subscriber, and you can push the notification according to that. But then we also provide integrating with your existing CRM, where you have all your customer information. So we will align those the unique subscriber IDs with your internal CRM, which can be used to push out highly personalized notifications. By highly personalized notification, I mean that, say for example, hey, a notification can be sent out that, hey Sid, you made a purchase 15 days back about a trouser. How about buying a shirt today? So those type of highly personalized notification can be done using the integration with CRM, and that's pretty much possible using the APIs that we have exposed. So I believe this particular feature does not come under your current plan that you guys are subscribed on, but however, you can always reach out to a support team, and we would be more than happy to enable that functionality for you guys, so that you can also engage with your subscribers in a much better fashion. So that's it from the iZooto masterclass. And in case you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate in reaching out to us. We'll be more than happy to help you with. Great. So I'll just quickly jump onto the first slide of mine, where we have the email IDs, just in case you missed out noting them. So these are the two email IDs. So if you have any follow-up questions, or you need any assistance with with either setting up the iZooto, or have any doubts on any specific use case that you want to implement on your website, just feel free to drop us an email, and we'll make sure that we get back to you at our earliest. Great, then. Thanks a lot, guys. Once again, have thanks for your time, and have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.